Well, we made it to Michigan. We didn't do much of the filming. And we've actually been here a couple days. Visited some good friends. Ate too much food. And now we're getting ready to leave. Like I said, at my folks' house here, Manitou Beach. Not like you know where that's at or anything, but anyways, this is their house, their farm. Nice and quiet back here. My dad and mom have a awesome garden growing this year. And they just cut the hayfield yesterday. Tomorrow's Memorial Day. Be lots of parades and stuff going on around here. It's gonna take a couple days for the hay to dry, and then they'll probably bale it Tuesday. It's supposed to rain Wednesday, so I think they'll get baled Tuesday. We got apple trees here. They got a whole bunch of apple trees. They got some nut trees as well. Strawberries. They got rhubarb. I'm trying to think. I can't think of what kind of nut tree that is. Sarah will have to put a little description underneath it. It just slips my mind. Almond. It's an almond tree. Spent the weekend here. My son is out of college right now, and he's doing an intern up near Mason, Michigan, which is just near Jackson, Michigan. So he's here up with his grandfolks, other side of the grandparents, for the summer working. Proud of him. And there's my dad on the golf cart. Anyways, we're getting ready to pack up, head back down to Tennessee. This is their sunroom. They usually have all their grandkids come over here. On Sundays they'll get about 17 to 20 people that will come for Sunday brunch. So good gravy. Welcome to Tennessee.
So we're packing up the rest of our stuff to leave today. Thankfully, Eric is a master packer because, again, the vehicle is crammed full. And you know, some stuff just can't go in a bag and has to squeeze in the holes. So we can't open any side doors right now.
We can open up the other one.
Okay, we can't open up the other one because I've just thrown stuff in. So there's that side. Oh, look in the door. Do you need any seasoning or shampoo and conditioner?
All right, finished packing. Well, 99% done packing. I don't know why I got such a big vehicle. I got plenty of space left. I mean, a little bit here. The door closes, you know, a little bit there. I could have probably got a smaller vehicle. Yeah, I don't know why I got such a, well, you know, plenty of room for us. And well, you look at all that room up there. I probably could have got away with a Mini Cooper. Got our Dometic going. Got the power's on, and it's showing 3 degrees in the freezer, 37 degrees in the fridge. This thing's awesome. Dive tank from Mantis. Haven't used it yet, but we're hoping to use it soon. Here we go. Are you comfy over there?
I'm great. We're headed to Mom and Dad's to take the keys and the leftover cranberry juice.
Yeah, we have them drive we're leaving 2 vehicles here. And so we just have them drive them once a month just to...
Watch for traffic.
just to keep them, you know, lubed up, battery charged up. Welcome to Florida, y'all. We're about halfway there. Drove through Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and then Florida, the longest state from north to south anyways, and all the way back out into the Keys. We could probably have about another, what do you say, 8 hours of driving?
Yeah.
Should be there about, no more than that. Should they be the Key West about 7:30 in the morning. It is now 9:46. Hold on. 10 points if you know that song. Leave a comment.
It's about 7:30. We are in Key West. Long night of driving. I slept a little bit once we got to somewhere close to Fort Lauderdale. Eric's asleep right now. Or trying to sleep. We did go visit the boat. It doesn't look done. And we can't get on the boat right now until the diesel shop opens because they have the key. So anyway, we'll check it out when we get to the boat.
Alright, our boat. We just talked to the lady inside the Diesel Marine and to get our key, and she said I think one side's done, just waiting on the other side. No sides are done. Boat's been here for close to 3 weeks. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. This would be perfect for bringing up our stuff.
Yeah.
All right, tell us about it, Sarah.
It's a little smelly.
A little
Not
smelly.
horrible.
Not too bad.
A little smelly. We did put out tons of damp red. This one has a little bit of water in it. But these hanging bags collected quite a bit of water. But everything looks good.
Not moldy. I don't know if you can see it, but it's about up to here on the moisture collecting. We stuck these in every closet. These really captured a lot. If you can see, that's up here. It says replace it when you're in between the marks. Like I said, this is where the almost tropical storm came through. Had one hatch leak a little bit. Not too bad. So we'll get that dried out and try to reseal that at some point. We're gonna stick the dehumidifier on. We haven't been hooked up to shore power this whole time, and our batteries are keeping up. Our lithium is at 74% when we got here this morning, and it's cloudy day and we're already charging at almost 400 watts. And
It was also cloudy yesterday.
And it was cloudy yesterday, so and our house bank is full because our lithium charges our house bank, keeps them full. So we got a full house bank. Lithiums are 74%, and they'll probably get topped off today. And I think we'll probably go ahead and turn on the inverter and see what the dehumidifier does with it as well.
We're not gonna lie, after a long trip down here and not sleeping, we got a hotel last night. One, because it's really hot on the boat. There's no breeze the last 2 days here. And also, the boat looks like this right now. There's stuff everywhere. And this is even after I've put a few things away. We do have the dehumidifier right here so we can run it when we're not on here since the air is not running. I guess for the rest of today, I'm gonna try to put some of this stuff away because we don't even have this bed made yet. We did buy another fan, but we've not even made our bed. All of our bedding's in there. So we're gonna get this put back together because we plan to splash tomorrow, so.
Time to paint the chain. This is the perfect time to do it. It's nice out, and we got this nice concrete pad right in front of us. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to put 50-foot increments. So from the edge of here to our pylon over there, our cleat, I guess a large rusty cleat, that's 25 feet. So if I go there and back, that will be 50 feet. So I'm going to mark it at 50 feet. I may put some 25, some smaller markers at 25, so we can kind of get a gauge between 50 and 100.
We're about to put on our sunbum sticker. Make it look like this one. So first we have to clean it because it's been sitting out for a long time. Well, a couple of weeks. So it's getting dust and dirt from the boatyard. Then, so we're cleaning it with a towel and water. Then we spray it with this stuff and wipe it off with paper towels. And then we do that a second time. And then you spray that stuff on there again and place the sticker on. So we'll see what it looks like.
Harry Marina. It's the sailing vessel Sunbums, Sunbums, Sunbums.
The Harry Marina.
Yeah, we're just now leaving Robbie's, and we'll be there in like 2-3 minutes.